Hello students, we are going to discuss geology part of the question paper. So let's start the first question. Mammals have double circulation, which means that. So mammals have double circulation, which means that heart chambers receive both oxygenated and deoxygenated blood, which are completely separated from each other. So for first question, the answer is 1. Next question number 47. When the right ventricle contracts, the blood is pumped into. Whenever the right ventricle contracts, the blood enters into the pulmonary aorta or the pulmonary artery. So the answer is 3. Next question number 48. Glucose is carried from digestive tract to liver by. So yes, the glucose from the digestive tract is carried to the liver by hepatic portal vein. So the correct answer is 2. Next question number 49. The course of blood from the heart to the lungs and back to the heart is called. So whenever the blood is flowing from heart to the lungs and again back to the heart, we call this type of circulation as a pulmonary circulation. So the answer is 4. Next question number 50. Hepatic portal system is present in. So hepatic portal system is present in all vertebrates. So the answer is 4. Next question number 51. Incomplete double circulation is found in which of the following animals? So you find incomplete double circulation in both amphibians as well as reptiles. So the answer is 3. Next question number 52. Pulmonary artery is different from pulmonary vein because it has. So pulmonary artery is different from pulmonary vein. Why? Because it has thick muscular walls. So the thick muscular walls are present. So the answer is 2. Next question number 53. The connection between pulmonary and aortic arches in adults is, in adults we call it as a ligamentum arteriosum, whereas in embryonic stage we call it as a ductus arteriosus. But here as they are asking about the adult, so the answer will be ligamentum arteriosum. So the first option is correct. Question number 54. Statement 1. Pulmonary circulation includes flow of deoxygenated blood from right ventricle to the lungs. And statement 2. The main purpose of this circulation is purification of blood. So yes, both the statements are correct. So the answer is 1. Next question number 55. The renal portal system is absent in. So if you talk about the renal portal system, which is completely absent in the case of mammals. So the answer is 4. Next question number 56. A special system present in our body exclusively for the circulation of blood to and from the cardiac musculature is. Means the blood vascular system which is carrying the blood exclusively to the heart and from the heart. We call that system as an coronary system. So the answer will be 3. Next question. Statement 1. Systemic blood circulation is more significant in human beings. Yes. That is the reason we also call systemic circulation as a greater circulation. And statement 2. Systemic circulation carries oxygen and nutrients to the body tissues and collects CO2 and nitrogenous waste from the tissues. So both the statements are correct. So the correct answer is 1. Next question number 58. Which one of the following represents pulmonary circulation? So pulmonary circulation, it starts from right ventricle to the lungs, again back to the left atrium. Means the deoxygenated blood from right ventricle is carried to the lungs, and in the lungs the blood gets purified, and the oxygenated blood from the lungs will go back to the left atrium. So the correct answer is 4. Next question number 59. The single circulation is found in. So the single circulation is found in fishes or Pisces. So the correct answer is 2. And going to the last question. The renal portal system of vertebrates is significant for. So renal portal system is present between the lower parts of the body to the kidneys. So it is useful for removing the nitrogenous waste by kidneys. So the correct answer is 2.